you don't feel confidence. Have you ever wondered over this thing? Why you are not confident? Yes. What is the biggest reason? Yes, that is preventing you to become confident. Yeah, and there is one thing too many people say while speaking English, feel the language, feel the rhythm of language. It is not true. Initially, you will not be able to feel language. Yes, but slowly and slowly you will begin to feel English language. Yes, and this is the bitter truth of language. This is the harsh truth of any language. How can you feel a language you have never spoken before in your life? You have just initiated learning, that too by yourself. So it is not possible. And my friend, confidence will come, yes, only by speaking, only by practicing, only by talking with real people. It will not come by reading. It will not come by writing, not come by pronunciation, yes, not come by pronunciating words. It will not come by reading again and again. Confidence will come through express your message. It will come through the practice that you do again and again. Yeah. So so never worry about confidence. Confidence will come automatically, yaar. You just practice every single day. This is the key to fluency, and this is the key to master any language. So many people are stuck in this thing. I'm not feel confidence. Yes, I am doing every single day. I am following so many tips, even though I'm not confident. Don't worry about that. Yes, you have to stay consistent. You have to maintain your consistent every single day. You have to practice. Yes, that's all. And it will come gradually. It will come slowly. You don't have to wonder about this thing. You have to think, yes, how I can take time more and more out for this language. Because the more you speak, the more you spend time on this language, the more you talk with real people, the more you become fluent, the more you become comfortable, the more you become confident in English. And once you feel confidence in language, suppose, yes, understand you have completed the step 70 to 80% step of this language. Yes, if there is one, if there is something that people notice while you giving speech, while you talking with real people, is your confidence. Although people, yes, take notice, they care a number of things, yes, when you speak any language, but the first and foremost thing people notice is your confidence. And confidence will grow only by speaking, yes, only by immersing in that language that you are learning. Yeah. So remember to spend your time with this language every single day. Yes. Don't worry about confidence. It will come automatically. It is fully automated. Yes. If you are extremely, what I can say, consistent. So this is all my point, and I hope you people have understood. And excuse me, today the weather is really bad, yeah. If my background scene is not crystal clear, I'm asking forgiveness for you people. Sorry for that. It is not my hand. If it were my hand, I would definitely fix it.